As the intelligence agencies, as the armed forces are already conducting operations and trying to ascertain more details of what exactly happened in Pahalgam, Lashkar-e-Taiba bagged TRF outfits commander Saifullah Qasuri alias Khalid to Rawalkot-based Lashkar commanders, according to the agencies, appear to be the main plotters of the Pahalgam terror attack. Remember, eventually, these are just puppets and individuals. The real mastermind is Pakistan establishment, is its army. Total 6 terrorists, according to the eyewitness accounts, according to our sources, with the support of the OGWs, the local CPOS cells that were activated, carried out this terror attack. A terror attack, remember, of basically killing innocent people and destroying innocent families. There was a proper recce that was done to understand where possibly the security could be less, where they could come, kill innocent people, and then flee from the location. Piyush Mishra joins me for the latest on that. Piyush, as the intelligence agencies and the details that are coming in on this is reflective perhaps of the kind of preparation that was done. What do you think is the government strategy? How are they looking at it? Because needless to say, it is Pakistan's hand here.
Well, it's almost certain that, yes, it's a Pakistan hand behind the terror attack which took place in Pahalgam yesterday. And remember, Pooja, that this terror attack has taken place during the peak tourism time. This is the time when tourists go there in large number to enjoy the spring, to enjoy the beauty of meadows and Mughal gardens there in Pahalgam. And it is always in the itinerary of every tourist which visits the Jammu and Kashmir, because the South Kashmir part is the beautiful part of Kashmir. The Pahalgam area where the terror attack took place, it was an open area. So it is a pre-planned attack which has been carried out by the terrorists. And certainly the government is going to look into all aspects. And that is why we are now seeing as to why Prime Minister has cut short his visit from Saudi Arabia. He today in the morning landed at Delhi airport, and soon after landing there at the Palam Technical Airport, PM Narendra Modi held a security review meeting in which Ajit Dobal, S. Jaishankar, Vikram Misri, all officials were present, and Prime Minister has been briefed about the situation there. Yesterday when the terror attack had taken place, the Prime Minister himself had spoken to Home Minister Amit Shah, and Amit Shah was directed by Prime Minister to reach there, Jammu and Kashmir. And later in the day, in evening, we saw how at around 8:15 p.m. Home Minister Amit Shah landed there. He was also being accompanied by Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. So all steps are being taken, series of meetings are being taken by the government. We'll have to wait and watch what kind of decision the government is going to take. But what we are also given to understand is that as Prime Minister has landed in Delhi, today later in the day, the Cabinet Committee on Security meeting also could take place, and in that specific crucial meeting, we can expect some sort of decision taken by the government. Anti-terror operations have already been launched. What we are also learning from our sources is that one team of NIA from Delhi and one team from Jammu has already left for the spot, and thorough investigation will take place. The entire area of Pahalgam where the attack had taken place has been sealed by the officials.